Greetings. Man, oh man, the devil been attacking me today. Right at the start. It was beautiful. We connected as management team and as workers. It was just perfect. And then, right off the bat, that set the tone for the whole day. People were honking at me, freaking just left and right. Things were going. People were just in foul moods. It's just a spirit that's been around. We still got a lot done, but man, oh man, was it rough. I hope y'all are doing well. Hope y'all are staying upbeat. Keep that head up. Keep that head up. We're gonna get through this. God bless.